Word of the day: mellifluous. Origin: the word mellifluous derives from the Latin word mellifluous, which combines mel and flura. Thus, mellifluous originally referred to something that flowed like honey, describing a smooth, sweet, and musical sound. Definitions: adjective, flowing with sweetness or honey-like smoothness, melodious. Pleasantly smooth or musical to hear. Examples in a sentence: the singer's mellifluous voice captivated the audience, filling the concert hall with enchanting melodies. She read aloud from the poem with such a mellifluous cadence that everyone in the room was entranced. The stream flowed over smooth stones with a mellifluous sound, creating a peaceful atmosphere in the forest. Thank you for watching.